Adjusting your HVAC blower speed to get the right airflow for your furnace and AC unit is way easier than you think, and it can seriously improve how your system handles humidity. So, if you want to lower the blower speed to boost dehumidification, first check your furnace or air handler's manual, because each model usually has specific instructions on which blower speed, wire, or tap to select. Next, you'll want to turn off the power to your unit before making any changes. Safety first, always. Then, swap the blower speed wire to a lower speed tap on the motor, or adjust the dip switch or jumper settings on the control board as directed by your manual. After making the change, power the system back up and use a CFM, cubic feet per minute, meter, or an appropriate airflow measurement tool to confirm you got the airflow where you need it. If you don't have a tool, you can sometimes estimate by holding your hand near the vents, but that's not super accurate. Remember, lowering blower speed too much can reduce air circulation and cause other issues, so aim for a balanced airflow. It's also smart to clean or replace your air filter before adjusting speeds because a clogged filter messes with airflow and system efficiency. Finally, once you're done, keep an eye on how your home feels. If it's still too humid or not cooling right, you might need to tweak things again or call a pro. One of the biggest mistakes when adjusting HVAC blower speed CFM is guessing without checking the manual. Every furnace and AC unit has different wiring and settings, so blindly switching wires can fry your motor or mess up airflow. Fix that by always following the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Another common problem is not measuring airflow after making adjustments, so you don't actually know if the CFM is right. Using an airflow meter or having a technician verify it keeps everything in check. The third issue is lowering blower speed too much just to fix humidity problems without considering that too little airflow can make your system work harder and wear out faster. Balancing speed and humidity control is key, so if it feels off, get professional advice. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know what they're doing with HVAC and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making things easier for everyone involved.